Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. So this is the fourth video of Christmas makeup series. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. First I will do my eye makeup. So first I am applying eyeshadow base. Then blending it and setting it using some powder. Now for eyeshadow, I am using iMagic eyeshadow palette 48 colors, and first taking this color, I am applying on my crease area. And slowly building the color. And also dragging it towards outside. Then I am taking this color and applying on my crease line. And blending it properly. Now I am taking this color and blending the edges. Then I am highlighting my brow bone using this shimmer color. Now using concealer, I am cutting my crease and cleaning my eyelid area. Then I will apply this color from Resolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Now I will draw lips on my crease line using this color. Then taking this color, I will draw other lips. Then using red eye pencil, I am drawing cherries. Then setting it using red eyeshadow. Then adding white color on those lips. Then drawing few stripes using this color. Then applying this color. Now using this NYX Professional Eyeshadow Base White, I am making small dots. Now I am priming my face using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and applying all over my face. Then for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation Beige and applying all over my face. Then blending this using a damp beauty blender. Now for concealer, I am using NYX Professional Conceal Correct Contour Palette Medium and applying under my eye, around nose, around lips, on chin, on forehead and bridge of my nose. Then again blending all. Now to set this all, I am using PAC Translucent Powder 01. Then I am taking this color from palette and applying on my lower lash line. Then taking this color and again applying on it. Now to highlight my inner corner, I am using this color from Resolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Then applying this color on it. Then again I am taking this color from the palette and applying on the edges to blend it properly. Now I am tightlining my waterline using a white eye pencil. Then I am applying L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Then I am drawing the other lips and cherries. Now to contour my face, I am using Sivana Bronzer Deep Dark and applying on cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Now for blush, I am taking this color and applying on cheeks, and on nose. Now to highlight my face, I am using this color from the palette and applying on cheeks, on nose tip, on chin, bridge of my nose and on forehead. Now for lipstick, I am using Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Fighter. Then applying Wet n Wild Mega Lash Lip Color Pink Sugar on it. So here is the complete look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you on next video. Till then stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.